Assalamu alaikum class, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. We will recite dua first. Auzubillahi minash shaitani rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Unicellular means one. Uni means one. The organisms that are made up of only one cell are unicellular organisms. For example, paramecium, bacterium, and yeast. Multicellular organisms. Multi means more than one. So plants and animals are multicellular organisms. First of all, what we will do, we will study about plant cell. Plant cells are the building blocks of plants. Means plant cells are the building blocks of plants. Plants are made up of plant cells. Plants also comprises of several cells which perform certain functions. The main functions I'm going to discuss is you know that photosynthesis is the major function performed by plant cells, and photosynthesis occurs in the chloroplast of the plant cell. And few plant cells help in the transport of water and nutrients from the roots and leaves to different parts of the plant. Plant cell is having a rectangular shape. Plant cell is having a rectangular shape. You can see over there it is a rectangular. Plant has a true nucleus around with specialized structure called organelles that carry out certain specific functions. Just like different organs within the body, plant cell structure includes various components called organelles. The first organelle I am going to discuss is nucleus. Nucleus is the cell command center. You know that every organism has a command center, that is the brain. So the brain of the plant cell is nucleus, that is properly bounded by a boundary. The next thing you can see here, two boundaries, double line over there. The inner line is called cell membrane. It allows certain materials to enter or exit the cell. Fine. The third organelle is cytoplasm. This is labeled where? It is labeled, this is the base of all the organelles. You can say white color. This white color is labeled as cytoplasm. It is a jelly-like material actually. Cytoplasm gives the cell the shape. As we blow up a balloon, so the balloon gets a shape, proper shape. So the air in the balloon that we have filled is the cytoplasm of the plant. You can imagine that. And cytoplasm fill out the cell and keeps organelles in their proper shape. For example, we have made a custard and we have put some yum candies over there. Till the time the custard is there in the bowl, the organelles of the the yums are on their proper positions. Whenever we have just eaten the custard, the yums are not in their proper places. So that is the proper function, that is the function of the cytoplasm. We can say that it gives the proper shape, proper places to the other organelles, and all the metabolic activities also take place in the cytoplasm. Here the chloroplast is. Chloroplast converts the light energy from the sun into the sugars and can be used by cells. This is the process of photosynthesis. The formation of food is due to the chloroplast, and it is the green colored organelle here in the cytoplasm. The second last is vacuole. Vacuole holds a sugar and minerals. It also maintains the shape of the cell. It is a large organelle in the cell. The last one is cell wall. A major function of the cell wall is to give the cell strength and structure. Whenever we build a thing, we need a boundary to give it strength. So here, the cell wall performing the function of giving the strength to the plant cell. So it was all about the plant cell. We will discuss further things in the next lecture, inshallah. Thank you so much for listening.